Hello and welcome. I am Dr. Mohol Banker, intervention radiologist. Today I am going to discuss one important case of auricular AVM. So vascular malformation is very complex disease and it is further subdivided into the two types. One is high flow and second is a slow flow vascular malformation. High flow vascular malformation is further subdivided into the four types in Yates classification. Now Yates classification is depending on the nidus and outflow tract, so it is very important tool for the planning of the treatment. And auricular AVM falls into type 4 Yates malformation. Now what's the difference between type 4 Yates malformation and other type? So what happened basically in other type of Yates classification, nidus and the normal vessels are separated. Now in type 4 there is a nidus and the normal capillary networks are interwoven, so they are not separated. So with this characteristic of the lesion, we have to plan the treatment and where to inject the ethanol and what the dose of the absolute ethanol. This is very important tool for treatment of auricular AVM. So now let's discuss this case of auricular AVM. This patient has extensive AVM into the external ear. Surgery is not an option. Now in this case, is a type 4 Yates classification AVM. Absolute ethanol is injected within the lesion. Now to prevent absolute ethanol going into the normal capillary network, it should be mixed with the contrast and the proportion is 50-50%. And because of this, absolute ethanol enter into only the diseased vessels. It is not entering into the normal capillary network, and that's why normal tissues and normal capillary network is spared with the absolute ethanol. And this is how it looks on the angiography. Left hand side, entire lesion is filled up with the contrast, and after absolute ethanol embolization, the diseased vessels is disappeared and obliterated. Preoperative picture shows AVM into the external ear, and post embolization this entire lesion disappeared from the ear. This is another case reported into the journal. AVM into the left ear lobule. It is also treated with the absolute ethanol and it gives very good results. In short, auricular AVM is a type 4 Yates classification. If it is treated with the absolute ethanol, it gives very good results, and absolute ethanol is used in the different proportion for treating this type 4 Yates malformation, and it gives very permanent results for auricular AVM. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much.